clock says 9, the list says 10 things urgent, high priority. But the surface calling, the browser's glowing, offering sweet liberty. I'll just check one email, one more cute cat video, one last scroll, I swear I will. Then the minutes bleed, the hours dissolve, and the anxious feeling starts to fill. The deadline's looming, a quiet threat, just a whisper at the door. But I'm trapped in the comfort, the sweet illusion of needing just 5 minutes more. Oh, procrastination, you're a comfortable thief. You steal my peace and time. You promise rest, but deliver only stress, a self-imposed climb. The monster isn't the task itself, it's the fear of starting right. Let's name the heavy weight we carry, the shadow in the light. It's the thought of the whole mountain that paralyzes, not the first stone. We're ready, we're able, stuck right here, feeling utterly alone. I see the screen, the blank document, the messy pile on the floor. It feels too big, too much to tackle. Or am I even working for? But what if I shrink it, take the microscope, focus on the smallest dot? Just one meal, just one paragraph, give it everything I've got. The goal isn't perfection, the goal is motion. Forward momentum's key. A shaky start is still a movement, a step toward breaking free. The first small action creates a spark, it cuts the weight in haze. The hardest part is getting out of the gate, so focus on the early phase. No more procrastination, let's send that comfortable thief away. We'll choose the small step, choose the movement, we're not waiting for a perfect day. The monster isn't the task itself, it's the fear of starting right. Let's name the heavy weight you carry, step into the light. It's the thought of the whole mountain that paralyzes, so pick up the first stone. We're ready, we're able, let's move right now and claim the victory we've known. Feel the weight lift, hear the doubt recede. The moment you finally choose, the flow begins, the energy returns. You have